The Supreme Court on Monday overturned a Madras High Court ruling declaring that watching and downloading child pornography is a crime under the IT Act and POCSO Act. A bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice G.B. Pardiwala rejected the Madras High Court's recent decision, which stated that viewing child pornography was not illegal under these acts. The Supreme Court recommended the Parliament amend the POCSO Act, replacing the term child pornography with child sexual exploitation and abusive material. Until this amendment is made, the central government may issue an ordinance on the matter. Additionally, the court directed all courts to stop using the term child pornography, stating that it inaccurately associates the crime with consensual adult activity, which is inappropriate for such serious offences against children. The bench formally ordered that child pornography no longer be used in any judicial orders or decisions. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi's challenges have escalated, with the Delhi court ordering her to appear in a 2019 criminal defamation case. Rouse Avenue Court has summoned both Atishi and former CM Arvind Kejriwal in a case filed by BJP leader Rajiv Babbar. The case involves allegations that the names of individuals from the Agarwal community were removed from the voter list. Additional Chief Justice Magistrate Priyanka Rajput has directed them to appear in the court on October 3rd. Kejriwal had earlier contested the summons, but the Delhi High Court dismissed his plea on September 2nd. Babbar accused Kejriwal and other AAP leaders of inciting public anger against the BJP by spreading claims of voter list manipulation. The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the Uttar Pradesh government and the convicts in response to a petition challenging the early release of Amarmani Tripathi and his wife Madhumani Tripathi. The couple, sentenced to life imprisonment for the 2003 murder of poet Madhumita Shukla, were released early due to good conduct after serving about 16 years. However, the petition filed by Madhumita's sister Nidhi Shukla contests their premature release. A bench led by Justice Bela M. Trivedi has ordered a response within 4 weeks. Previously, on August 25, 2023, the court declined to stay their release but noted that if the petitioner's claims were valid, the convicts could be re-imprisoned. BJP leader Subramaniam Swamy has filed a petition in the Supreme Court seeking an investigation into allegations of animal fat being mixed into the laddus offered as prasad at the Tirupati Balaji temple. Swamy has called for Supreme Court supervised committee to look into the claims, which also include concerns about the use of some standard ingredients. The petition requests a review of the quality of temple's prasad and an investigation into the sources of key ingredients like ghee. It also asks the Andhra Pradesh government to submit a detailed report on the matter. A similar petition was previously filed by the president of Hindu Sena, and the case may be heard in the Supreme Court next week. Aam Aadmi Party MLA Amanatullah Khan has been sent to a judicial custody until October 7th by Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court in a money laundering case linked to Waqf Board recruitment. The court has permitted him to keep his medical records in custody and requested a report on his application to bring an electric kettle and glucose meter to jail, with a hearing set for September 25th. Khan was arrested by the ED on September 2nd for alleged irregularities in appointments during his tenure as chairman of the Delhi Waqf Board. The ED stated that he is the main accused and has not cooperated in the investigation, attending only one of 12 summons after Supreme Court order. The ED also claims that he acquired property through criminal activities related to money laundering, supported by digital and documentary evidence. Following these arguments, the court extended his custody until October 7th. A petition seeking action against Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu has been withdrawn from the Delhi High Court. The petition, filed by Hindu Sena chief Surjit Singh Yadav, accused Bittu of making derogatory and fabricated remarks about Rahul Gandhi during a press briefing on September 15th. During the hearing, the petitioner informed the court that several FIRs had already been filed regarding the matter. prompting the bench led by Acting Chief Justice Manmohan to grant permission for the petition's withdrawal. Watch our special programs and share the videos to stay updated with daily court proceedings.